7 types of excavators and their uses on the construction site. Crawler excavators. Unlike other large excavators that run on wheels, crawlers run on 2 large endless tracks and are optimal for mining and heavy-duty construction jobs. Wheeled excavators. Wheeled excavators are similar in size and appearance to crawlers but run on wheels instead of tracks. Replacing tracks with wheels makes them faster and easier to maneuver on concrete, asphalt, and other flat surfaces while still offering the same power capabilities. Dragline excavators. The dragline excavator is a larger excavator that operates with a different process. The equipment utilizes a hoist rope system that attaches to a bucket via a hoist coupler. The other side of the bucket is affixed to a dragline that runs from the bucket to the cab. The hoist rope raises and lowers the bucket while the dragline pulls the bucket toward the driver. Suction excavators. Also known as vacuum excavators, suction excavators feature a suction pipe capable of providing up to 400 horsepower. The excavator first releases a water jet to loosen the ground. The pipe, which contains sharp teeth at the edge, then creates a vacuum that carries away soil and debris up to 200 miles per hour. A suction excavator is ideal for delicate underground applications as it can reduce the chance of damage by more than 50%. Skid steer excavators. Unlike standard excavators, skid steers have booms and buckets that face away from the driver. This orientation allows the attachments to reach over the cab instead of around it, making these excavators useful in more narrow areas and maneuvering tricky turns. They are often used for digging pools, site cleaning, residential work and debris removal, where space is more limited and objects are spread far apart. Long-reach excavators. As its name suggests, a long-reach excavator features a lengthier arm and boom sections. The design allows for better operation in hard-to-reach locations. The excavator's extendable arm can reach over 100 feet horizontally. These excavators are best used for demolition projects like structural crumbling and breaking down walls over bodies of water. Different attachments can be affixed to the arm to perform additional jobs such as shearing, crushing, and cutting. Mini excavators. In recent years, more contractors are using mini excavators, a smaller and lighter version of the standard excavator capable of minimizing ground damage and fitting through crowded, narrow sites like parking lots and indoor spaces. Also known as compact excavators, mini excavators typically incorporate reduced tailswing or zero tailswing to maneuver tighter turns and avoid contact with any obstacles.